All right, now to Flamingo. We have long heard that the big shave brands are ripping everybody off, charging way too much for razor blades that don't cost all that much to make. And a handful of startups have cut that cost for the men. Today, though, thanks to Harry's and their first women's brand, Flamingo, the ladies are getting a break, too.
Flamingo is a body care brand for women, really focused on high-quality, effective products, starting with body hair removal.
It's Harry's for the ladies, the razor brand that made a name for itself, disrupting the nearly $3 billion men's shaving industry, is going after the female market with a full line of hair removal products.
Razor solutions, as well as shave cream and lotion for the care afterwards, and then also wax kits.
We'll be the first ones in the U.S. to launch this soft gel technology, which means you don't need to rub it in your hands. It applies evenly. It removes hair that's a lot shorter, which means you have a choice on when you can do it.
Jeff Rader, who not only co-founded Harry's but also eyewear brand Warby Parker, says they've been considering a line for women since Harry's launched 5 years ago.
When we had the idea for Harry's, we actually thought of making a line that would be unisex for both men and women. And then we started talking to women about shaving and hair removal more broadly and their body care, and we realized, wow, this is really different from guys.
So Harry's launched men's first, but the case for a women's line just kept growing.
We have over 1 million women using Harry's today.
Like Harry's, Flamingo is direct to consumer. All the products are available at shopflamingo.com at prices a bit more appropriate than what you see in the drugstore.
There's a real pink tax out there in the world on women's razors, and we don't believe in that. Our products are priced at parity. Flamingo's priced at parity to Harry's. Everything in our suite is really accessible from a price point standpoint, from $9 for just a handle to $10 for the wax kits and $16 for a full shave set.
The 5-blade razors made in the Harry's own factory in Germany, specially designed for women.
We wanted a tool that fit well in the women's hand. The weight balance had to be right, the texture, the grip pattern, and so she can really shave anywhere that she chooses to shave.
Flamingo is the first brand to come out of Harry's labs, where Jeff says they plan to launch other CPGs, consumer packaged goods, where men's and women's needs aren't being served. In other words, Procter & Gamble, you have been warned. Harry's is coming for you.
All right.